Want to paint the wall, right? Cheng and his friends decided to paint the wall. So you're going to join this together. They say that this length, right, and this length are actually the same, right? This is an arc. So this length here, the radius 6. This also 6. This is 6. This also 6. You see? So basically they are equilateral, right? Oh, cannot say it. Too kebab. So you want to take a square minus what? This sector minus this segment. So think this way. A square minus one of the sector, then minus one segment. Or you want to do other way? You can. Some people they say, "Oh, Terry, I take the square, then I minus this segment, then I minus this segment, then I plus back the triangle." Cannot. A bit hard. That means they take two sector, then you add the triangle, because you cut. When you cut one sector off, then you cut another sector off. You're actually cutting twice. So you're going to add in the triangle. So I don't do that. I think I take an area square is 6 square. Alright, area sector is half r square theta. Now my theta must be in radian, so it's pi over 3. You know 60 degree in radian is pi over 3. 180 is pi, 60 pi over 3. Then I minus area sector. Remember I say area segment is given by what? Half r square theta minus sine theta. Now this is so short and simple. Your calculator mode is only affected when you use sine, cos, tangent. If you use s equals r theta half r square, it doesn't matter, it's the same. So it's 6 square minus half 6 square times pi over 3 minus half times 6 square times bracket pi over 3 minus sine 60. One shot, 13.89. Okay, that's all.